What's going on YouTube? I got some new headphones to check out today, so let's see what we got. So these are the TOZO T10. These are the upgraded version of this. The reason I picked these headphones up was I seen that it had like 284,000 reviews, almost 5-star. So I said, well, when I see a product that's got that many good reviews, I said, let's check them out. So, there's quite a few things to note on these. They are IP8 waterproof, so they can get wet. And it has a lot of good features. One feature that I particularly was surprised to see, that it has an 8mm driver area, which is quite a bit larger than most of the headphones. And it comes in your different languages and all your stuff here. Just want to show you the packaging a little bit. It does have wireless charging, and also you can plug a cable into it. It does have easy pairing, and once it's paired, you just open the headphone case up and take one of the headphones out, and it automatically locks in. Now I just gonna open this thing up here and check it out and see what all comes in the package. If y'all watch my other videos, you notice I really love headphones. So I love my music, so I'm always excited to check out some new product here. Now the original T10, this is the upgraded version over this. I believe it's got upgraded wireless charging and some new added features to the touch scheme on here. Let's see what we got in this little booklet here. Get the headphones, case. Now at the towards the end of this video, I'm just going to kind of peek at it real quick. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you all the manual in detail, in case someone's lost their manual or is having trouble. There is a way to do like a master reset, and it's got your different languages and things like that. So, and then it kind of shows you how to put it in your ear. I usually wouldn't even talk about that, but like my wife, she still questions how they go in your ear. So, for people that haven't been using the earbuds, it's pretty good to know. I really like this case. It is quite large though. I was really surprised. Now let's see this thing go in here. Oh, it lights up. It's got an indicator on here, shows you how much it's charged. And they appear to be magnetic. Yeah, they kind of clack into place there. That's really good. Let's see. Shake it out. Oh, they ain't coming out. They ain't just gonna fall out. That's really good. Happens to pop open somewhere, you're not gonna lose your earbuds. And looks like this comes with some earpieces and charging cable. Let's check this out. Now these little charging cases are really nice. I enjoy listening to my headphones, popping them back in the case, and next time I take them out, they're fully charged. It is a nice feature. Let's try to get this thing out here. Let's see what we got. Now, for the longest time, the manufacturer's been offering different size tips for your ears. I usually use the small to medium. See, oh, we got a lot here. Okay, so we have some black ones, then also we have some black and like an orange accent to them, a reddish accent, which is kind of nice. I do like the accent colors, just a little different. Got your plain black, and then you got your accented. So these little tips, they just pop out off and on, and that's about all there is for that. If you've owned headphones before, that's pretty standard. It just helps you get that nice fit to your ears. Now I'm really surprised, these headphones are fairly inexpensive, and so far the quality is pretty impressive for what you get for your money. When you buy even more expensive headphones, they get up to $100, $200, you're getting the same features in this. One thing I do wish my other headphones have had, my Sony's, and that is a visual indicator. I do like those lights. I'm not always 100% sure, how much charge I got left on mine, and I have to usually check my phone, go into the app, and it'll tell you, you're 70% or whatever, but it is kind of nice just to have that. Now this is interesting. This is a USB-C. This is the upgraded. And now what that means is that your other USB-C devices for like your phone and this and that, you'll be able to use, just to charge your headphones there. So that's pretty nice to know. Now a lot of manufacturers are still using that micro USB, and I don't like the way that connects and the way it fits, and the charging on it's much slower. The USB-C has a lot more options for the manufacturer. So alright, well, we'll get this paired up here and we'll have to check it out and see what it sounds like. Now of course you guys won't be able to hear it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play some music and just put them in and check them out, see how they fit. Oh, they do fit pretty good. Yeah, I'm actually pretty surprised on how well it fits. I'm gonna play some music. Yeah, now I really like this. I like the sound. The bass is really good. Turn it up a little bit more here. Yeah, I am definitely impressed. That 8mm drive area is definitely good. You can hear the lower bass tones. I guess it goes all the way down to 16 hertz. And the treble up to 20k hertz. It's really got a wide range. I'm really impressed. These things sound really, really good. I was not expecting it to sound that well. Get these out here. Yeah, and they fit really well. They weren't hanging off my ears. Wasn't able to hear any other noises. I'm gonna have to really check these things out here. I do have my dark filter on so we could see the lights really good, but I think I'm gonna switch my filters over for y'all so we can. It's a little too dark to see. Give me just a second here. Get that switched. Alright, so this is what the bottom tells you, how you can charge it, and some of the stats on there. And I even do like how the case is kind of clear. You can see through it too with it closed. One of my favorite things right now, guys, is the little indicators on there. So what I'm going to do real quickly is I'm going to just kind of go through this manual, and y'all can pause the video if you guys need to see this, so you have this information if you've lost the paperwork on this or no longer have it. Instead of trying to hunt for the websites and stuff like that, you can just take a quick look here. And this is your pairing, and this is how you do your reset, and then you can do a factory reset, which kind of clears everything out, and that way you can get it reconnected. And this is how you can wear them, recommending how to put it in. Then here's all your touch controls, and that's that. Let's see what we've got on this one. Alright, so here's your different sizes and how to put them on, how to wear them, and what to do with your phone. And then alright, now we're just taking another last look at these. Now, I've been pretty impressed with these. I really do like the visual indicators. They sound super good. The battery, I am not sure. I'm going to have to do some battery testing, but from what I've seen online, you should get about 5 or 6 hours out of them. You put them back in the case and they'll charge back up, and you should be able to do that for like 30 hours or so. Also, as this has the advanced 5.0 Bluetooth, you can see that indicator right through the case. That is a really good idea. I do like the indicators, and it is also charge it with the wireless. So, there's so many good things for such an inexpensive price. It is really, really impressive. I am pleasantly surprised for what you get. Well, this has been my review on the TOZO T10 upgraded. I appreciate y'all, and until the next video, we'll see ya.